What's the meaning of cast iron? Cast iron. Cast iron.
Cast iron. Cast iron. Cast iron is a strong and brittle material that is produced by heating iron, carbon, and other additives until they melt and then casting the liquid into molds to harden. It has a low melting point, making it easy to shape and cast, and is highly resistant to wear and deformation. Cast iron is commonly used in construction, engineering, and manufacturing due to its durability and strength. However, it can be brittle and prone to cracking if exposed to sudden impacts or stress, and may rust if not properly maintained.